They are passing by. Sacredness is only in what Allah has commanded, in the direction He has commanded, and as long as the Almighty commands it, you live that respect, not because there is such a divinity in that land, in that direction, but the Almighty's indication is sufficient. Safa and Marwa are symbols of Allah. Whoever makes Hajj or Umrah, no blame for walking between them. He is a poet of Allah, indicated by the Almighty. Therefore, whoever performs the pilgrimage to the house and performs the sa'i, the Almighty has indicated that there is no harm in circumambulating the Kaaba and performing this worship as a designated act for the Almighty. This signifies the importance and acceptance of this sacred ritual in the eyes of the Almighty. We do not hope for any good from Safa itself, nor do we hope for any good from Marwa itself. We should not have any hope. However, Satan always has the hope of finding something beneath the concept of sacredness. This is a vivid memory from my childhood years, when he would relentlessly try to sneak something from Safa and Marwa, two sacred places that hold great significance. Every individual makes an effort to extract something from Safa and Marwa by employing a small knife that they firmly grasp in their hands during the process. Ultimately, the Meccans came to realize that neither Safa nor Marwa would remain in the end, as both were destined to fade away. If you think that every pilgrim who comes is scratching something, they poured an isolating substance on it. This isolating substance is a result of the discomfort in terms of the understanding of sacredness, stemming from the axis of deviation of people, who are constantly inclined to deviate. What is this? What do people hope for or expect from a tiny stone that will disrupt the purity? No, is it not only in the possession of Allah, but rather it is solely something that is provided by the Almighty? Worship. Wherever you turn, there is the presence of the Almighty. The Divine is omnipresent, encompassing every corner and permeating all aspects of existence. The rationale behind determining a qibla is not because Allah is confined to a particular direction or place, but rather it is for the sake of maintaining unity among you and the followers of the same religion. This decision is relevant and significant. It is supported by historical evidence from a time when this qibla was not inherently sacred and could be designated to other directions as well, highlighting its flexibility and contextual nature.